In a moment, I'm going to ask people to think of something, but of course, I'm going to throw these frisbees out para makakuha tayo ng random volunteer. Yun. So whoever catches this frisbee, please make sure na i-catch nyo kasi pag tumama sa mukha nyo masakit. Okay? From this side. Oh! From this side. I'm sorry about the sige mo. And from, ayun, may kataas na kamay doon. Sana nakuha na. And yung mga nakakuha ng frisbee, akit kayo dito. Let's give them a big hand. Dali ng mga frisbees dito. Akit kayo, hi sir. Sige dito ka. And yung dalawa, yeah, alright. And last. Where's our last? Ayun. Yan, yung tayo na. Hi sir. We have seats here. 1, 2, 3. You may sit anywhere you want. And ma'am, hi. We have 2 more seats here. Sit anywhere you want. Kahit saan mo gusto. And sir, wala ka ng choice if iniwan nila sa'yo. Pero let's do something. Let me get your frisbees. Baka may choice ka. Kayo tatlo, tayo kayo. Okay? 2 steps forward. And then when I count to 3, mamimili kayo ng random seats. Parang mag-ano kayo, mag-trip to Jerusalem kayo. Okay? And make sure that your seats are random. And when I count to 3, I'm gonna snap my hands. And when we count to 5, choose any seat that you want. Random seat. Okay? Ready? Get set? Go! 1, 2, Alright, sige, okay. You're sure na gusto na dyan? Okay, ayaw mo makipagpalit na upuan. Gusto mo makipagpalit. Okay, just establishing and making sure na gusto talaga niyo dyan and walang ibang tao. Now, you know what? I'm going to ask you to think of a color. You have it? Meron na? Yes, okay, good. Now, to make this a little more interesting and random, okay, I want you to take or remember the first letter of your color. For example, if your color is blue, think of the letter B. Okay, does that make sense? Good. The first letter of your color and pick a word based on that first letter. You have your words now. Yes? Diba? Good. Now, it's time to read their minds. Okay? I want you to think of your word, okay? Now, kung ano man isusulat ko dito, dedicated nga ako, hindi ko babalikan. Interesting. When you thought of your word, parang may pumasok na feeling. Parang gusto mo mangyari ito sa'yo. Parang gusto mo may magsabi ito sa'yo. Does that make sense? Yes, okay. This is a long word. Yes? Yes. Parang ano to eh? Parang gusto, na-imagine mo yung sarili mo na nasa class. Does that make sense? Parang ganyan sa class na nasabi sa'yo ng teacher. Parang ganyan, right? Yes. Sige. Parang alright. For the first time, loud and clear, tell us your word. That's time. Ladies and gentlemen, that's time. Thank you very much. Next word. Are you ready? Yes. Now, focus on your word over and over again. Say, okay, good. Sumasayaw ka ba? Hindi, parang, yung iniisip ko itong word, parang naisip ko siya parang sayaw. Parang gano'n, parang sayaw, parang rhythm. Does that make sense? Sayaw, rhythm. Parang naisip ng pangalan ng babae na it sounds like this word. Yes, yun yung nakuha ko. Sana tawa ko. Alright, sir. For the first time, loud and clear, what is the word? Graceful. Graceful. Ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much. Last. Are you ready now? Sige, think of the word over and over again. Meron ka dito. Parang, meron ka dito. Yes? Parang feeling mo may, yes, parang nakawakan siya. Baka nahihirapan akong malaman. Magaling kang magaling mong itago yung feelings mo. Yes? Yes, magaling ka itago yung feelings mo, kaya nahihirapan akong basahin siya. So, ito yung gagawin natin. Tutulungan niyo ako. I want everyone in this room to be involved. Is that okay? Yes. Okay. What's your name? Abby. Abby, think I'll be Abby. I'm gonna give you a pad. And I'm going to use this pen. And I want you to write down your word, okay? Now, before you do that, titigin mo na ako sa kanila because they're gonna make sure that I'm not gonna beat, okay? Because after writing down your word, ipapakita mo sa kanila. Pero guys, pag pinakita na sa'yo, don't tell me, don't say a word, okay? Good. Now, do it now. Write it down. And if you're done, just say yes. After writing it down, show the audience whatever your word is. Diba ba yan? Yes. Pakita mo sa kanila? Yes. Audience, you saw the word? Yes. Okay, good. Now, I'm going to ask you to put the pad face down on your lap. Pag tinignan na tayo, hindi ko na makikita yung word, okay? Okay na? Done. Okay. Now, audience, tutulungan nilo ko para malaman ko kung ano yung word niya. Okay ba yan? Okay, now I want you to do this with me, okay? I'm going to ask you to resonate the word with me. So I'm going to clap with me, like this. Do this for me. Good. Nice. Do you hear that sound? That is the sound of unity, right? Kahit yung sound, iba-ibig natin palakpak, may mabagal, may mabilis, may mahina, may malakas, but we can still hear one sound, right? Now when I count to 3, I want everybody to shout prison, okay? 1, 2, 3! Prison! Hindi ko alam kung ano yung sana tama ako. Now guys, since alam nyo na yung word, involved na kayo dito, lahat kayo, yun na rin ang word nyo. When I count to 3, shout me your word. Okay? Your word. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Power! Wow? Kaya man yung mga audience natin ah. Pero kaya naman dyan. Sure, no? What's the word again? Power! Power? Talaga, power? Patingin? Power ka ah. Pero, open-minded kayo, no? Power. Well, actually, ito yung sinulat ko. Ticket. Hindi ticket yung word mo. Kala ko tangerine, hindi ticket, no? Pero you know what's interesting? I'm a mentalist, so I have to be 10 steps ahead of you guys. Actually, you've been saying the word power since you got into this venue. You've been saying the word power ever since paano bumili kayo ng ticket. You know why? Take out your tickets. And take a look at the lower right corner of your ticket. And what do you see? Fire! Colors, right? What is your color? Orange, your color is? Green, your color is? Purple. And ito yung thing, here's the thing, okay? Di ba tanong ko sa inyo kung gusto niyo mag-iba-iba ng seats? Pero dyan yung pag talaga pinili. You know why? Because you really have to sit there. Namili kayo ng mga colors, pero random colors, pero yan yung mga pinili ninyo. Why? Yun talaga yung kailangan ng pagbiling kulay. So, malaman ko bakit? What's your color again? Orange? Stand up for me. Ladies and gentlemen, you are sitting on the color orange. On the color green. Yes. Purple. Ladies and gentlemen, you are sitting on the color